Welcome back, guys. Cryptofly channel. Today we'll talk about a total market capitalization chart, total chart on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame, maybe on a daily. Let's dive in, guys. This is a global chart of total crypto market cap since March 14. If you didn't know what is total, I highly recommend you go and double check on Investopedia or on TradingView. So this is total market capitalization, and you remember my take was here. So I mark we can here. This is a price note. We can hit around 3.8 trillion capitalization and drop it lower. So I mark like 3 trillion correction to 3 trillion correction, but we dump it to 2.3. Yes, much lower, but we're still in an uptrend. My take for highest point of this capitalization is around 5 trillion market cap. Somebody talk about this cycle with institutional, with a Bitcoin ETF. Bitcoin ETF was around here. I remind you, we can hit 10 trillion, 50 trillion, and all of that from random numbers. For me, it sounds absolutely random numbers. I believe in the last leg up, to around 5 trillion market capitalization. I would like to explain you why. So first of all, it was a zone of accumulation. Here's a trend line, all-time high in November 21 for capitalization. So this is not some coin. No, we're not trading, but it's like understanding of money inflow, into crypto sector, crypto industry in general. So we tested here, and I waited. We could test and hold the line, this one, but we dump it. We dump it, bounce it, and crash it down. So that's why I mark probably the previous all-time high. It could be the support, and this is like a main mistake. What usually people do with the levels, so we all the time build some logical levels. So we should hold the line here because of it's a previous all-time high, and it's usually should be it was like a resistance here. Now it should be like a support, but it doesn't work like this one. So all right, in theory, I'm waiting at 5 trillion. Take a look at 2 FIBs, guys, and after that I will show you with my indicators set. First one in this one. So this FIB still relevant. So it was a COVID dump, this one, March 2020. We pump it. So this is an all-time high of market capitalization. Take a look how we tested 78 level by FIB like support and bounce it from level to level. Here we rejected at 27 zone, not some price, not some trillion target. No, almost still penny. We stop it in this block. We form the correction. So if this cycle will be extended in time, we can drop even to 1.9 trillions. And if we bounce and not hit the new high and form something like rejection at 0 level, yes, it can be that trap and end of cycle with a head and shoulder pattern. Global one on a weekly time frame. So you can find out left shoulder looks like this one, right? Head. And if we not hold the line here, now imagine the smell of BTC correction. Imagine the correction on Ethereum, and it can be the bounce, some altcoin season, and we can crash it down once again. I don't see any reason why it should happen, because anyway, now all market crash it. And I don't know what should happen to the market. So we go in even lower, because if the total market capitalization going down, this chart, it means the money outflow from total and probably will inflow into just real sector in the world, some stocks, or just people will fix the profit and withdraw the money from the crypto industry into stable coins, for example, or in just fiat money. So we can't know, guys, what the big players will do. And I explained it to you. So when we will see the ETF, it was like 100% pump around here. And it was pretty good one. And the people accumulated millions and not maybe even billions, right? And they took a profit. But I believe in the around 4.8, 5.2 trillion market capitalization of this cycle. Next FIB, it was this one. So this was an all-time high. in the May 21, the major level. Then we drop it, find a support, new high, 27 block like support. And now the road can be open to 4.92 trillion. So around this block, like between 4.6, 5.3, around this area, I guess, this can be the last stage for the crypto industry for capitalization. It's my take, Of course, I can be absolutely wrong, guys. Just my humble opinion. Once again, if we'll drop it, yes, we can drop to 1.22 trillion to 1.885 trillion, form the head and shoulder, and that's it. And end of this cycle. Yes, it will be pretty sad. I totally agree. We will lose a lot of money. We will waste a lot of time, but I hope it will not happen. But we can't control it. We can't, guys. Technically, we can't. The main mistake also what people can do now, it's to draw this type of trend lines. Guys, I remind you, for me personally, these trend lines, it's absolutely random stuff. Absolutely. So, for example, we have it now like this one. Yes, we can test it, bounce it, and what next? We can draw a lot of different trend lines, so we can adjust it on a line chart like this one. So everything looks straight, right? It's just a fake out. But guys, I don't like the trend, like a trend line, like support or resistance. I like the levels. So level gives us the information. So at this current level, some big guys ready to inflow money again. If we talk about a monthly gaps here, this one is done. This one is done. Next one only is here, 1.227 trillion. Imagine the smell of correction on alts and all other, even Ethereum tokens. If the total market capitalization now will drop to 1.2 trillion, minus 50%, over than 50% capitalization money outflow. It's going to be pretty weird. That's why I don't think so, based on seasonality, based on all of these metrics. If we talk about a weekly time frame indicators, here it was a top, here was a top, divergence, drop. Here's accumulation, 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 and still accumulation. So technically everything okay. Once again, here's the top, and we can form that one more or two more tops, on ADZ on a weekly time frame. Form divergence like it was here. So one top in January 2021. Second top, for example, was here in February 2021, and the next one is November 2021. November and August 2021, and we form a huge divergence, right? And dump it at the bear market. This time it's going to be absolutely the same story. Also, take a look. It was a signal to out, based on direction indicator. Now we're just in the middle, so ready to see the continuation. So this one is was the apheria all this same period. Now it's a hope. Now it's like a hope positive. So let's wait. Monthly time frame, guys. This kind of bad. This kind of bad because in February we got a signal to sell. We never seen a direction signal to sell on this one on total market capitalization. Is it possible? So we've already formed the huge divergence, right? Like this one, 1, 2. We didn't touch the top. That's why I'm waiting there. Fast recover move. It's hard to say about the timing. Probably it will be not at May now. It can be the autumn, for example, or 2026. Hard to say. And hit the top and drop it down. It's going to be the huge divergence on all crypto total markets since August 2017. So it's going to be the yearly divergence. Got it. It was a top apheria here, and now we are in a trill zone. But I wish to see one more hype. Also, guys, I think we can see one more three drives pattern. Of course, it's possible. So we already formed the three drives pattern, but I hope we will see another one. So here's a 1, 2, and I don't know, around here it's gonna be the 3. So pump. 3 drives pattern, global one on a monthly time frame. I should make a video about it. Take a look, guys, on money power. Here, technically, of course, it's money outflow. Yes, money outflow was here in January 2024. Here's the RSI bearish divergency on a monthly. Now nothing, no money inflow, nothing. Weekly time frame, guys, also here was a 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row, especially almost at the top, it was money outflow. Now nothing, no money inflow. Only two times basically. Here, 4 times in the history, we saw the money inflow here. This one, and it was like May 2022 and September 2023. All of other time periods, it's just money outflow. Trade on, guys, on the weekly. Here was a buy, take profits, sell, sell, recommendation to buy back, sell, recommendation to buy back. Monthly. Sell, sell, buy back, buy back, buy back, sell, nothing, sell, sell, nothing. I wish to see one more and last impulse up, the last leg, and that's it. If not, guys, you remember what I told you now. So we can drop to the above, tested above like exit line 1.7 trillion, bounce, form the head and shoulder, and collapse it down. Buy line on a weekly, on a monthly now. It's 760 billion market capitalization. It's a level of December 2022. It's kind of weird. Weekly, here we format the one over the exit line. Second one, buy line now on weekly time frame for total crypto market cap. It's 1.47 trillion. I can't even imagine what will be with the altcoins if we'll drop that low. That's why I remind you again, I wish to see some impulse up to 5 trillion and after that drop to the buy line, bounce, and form maybe the global one, global head and shoulder. We will see. So guys, my targets, I explained you the logic, I explained you. Wait now, the United States and the China should figure out all of this stuff with the tariffs between the countries. And I hope everything will be well. I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my customer Kasai, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.